Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Echo cs-520. Alright, let me see how we do this. Remember, in this case, I always take them off in case you're new in my store, but this one came without it. Alright, it came with the lock here. Alright, now, let me do this. I'm going to try to open it a little bit. Okay, right there. Sorry, I'm doing one hand, and it has a little compression. I don't want to set a latch just in case. But let me do it with the other hand, alright? Alright, right there is better for me. Remember guys, I sell for parts. These machines needs to be cleaned up and separate. And for parts, remember, if you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because there are broken machines, broken parts. Okay, I'm gonna throw good pictures from here. Remember, like I always do, don't worry about it. I did it from inside here, like I always do too. Let's give it a shot to see where we are. Oh, when I'm trying to hit it once, it broke here. That means this rope sooner or later is gonna go off, guys. Or maybe it's me that I'm getting strong this year. Alright, let me see if you can see me down here because I'm going to give him a little muscle. You know what, let's put a little bit of the magic liquid. I already tried the coil works. I always like to press the acceleration here and let it all go in. Works sometimes, doesn't work all the time, you know. And now I put the choke. The second thing I will do is I will accelerate it and hit it. You see, he broke again on me. Well, at least it didn't went all the way, it got loose here. Let's put it back. It was getting ready to start, guys. You see, I didn't put this that the other one had. I put a mistake there. And it cost me now time. Sometimes things are designed for something. Alright, I'm back, let's hit it. Alright, let me see if you're watching me there. Alright. Alright, let's accelerate again. You can tell she won. Let me check this spark plug real quick. Let me see if you're watching what I'm doing. Wait. Woo! Give me, oh yeah, look at that. It's not gonna go nowhere, guys. Let me see if I have another one here real quick. Like that, we know how to use this one again. Alright, I got something close. I guess I put a little too much of the good liquid. Alright, let's hit it. Let me see you watching there. I'm gonna move a little to the left. Right there. Alright, let's hit it again. Wow, this one is costing me work. It's been a while not get a machine like this. Giving me a hard time. That tells me already the carburetor is dirty like hell. I like to put the acceleration here like that, the liquid will go straight, okay? And then it's when you close the clutch. Let's hit it again. Wow. I'm not gonna give up. I feel it that she wants to start. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that for today. She wants to start, I can feel it. She wants. I'm sure that I put so much gas again when I go here. I guess it's a little mix of water in the system with something, because like a brown liquid come out. Let me see. Yeah, you see it's not gonna start, guys. Yeah. I'm not gonna waste my time no more. You see what I mean? Yeah, you need to, but I think it has a good compression. I think this is a good equipment for parts. Alright guys, any questions are here? Thank you. Hola mi gente. Ah, me quedé sin aire. Ya estoy matado. Ya están viendo ya que me sobrepasé, parece, en la gasolina que tiene adentro. Ya no quiero intentar, pero yo estoy seguro que ya prende. Se ve que tiene buena compresión todavía. Lo voy a dejar así. Ya saben, cualquier preguntita aquí estoy. Es una cs-520. Ya les enseñé fotico aquí, más o menos para que tengan una idea. Voy a tirar mejores, pero ya están viendo ya que está sobrepasada en el líquido. Bueno, de todas formas no me preocupo porque yo vendo para aparte, pero sí sé que prende. La siento, me lo quiso hacer, la siento. Bueno mi gente, ya saben, cualquier preguntita aquí estamos.